Hey everyone! Welcome back to Cars View channel. What if one of the greatest rally cars ever made came back, not as a museum piece, but as a weapon for the modern road? This is the 2026 Lancia Stratos. A name that once ruled the dirt, dominated rally stages, and terrified competitors is now reborn for a new era. Lancia didn't just redesign a classic, they resurrected a legend. And today, we're diving deep into what might be one of the most emotionally powerful cars of 2026. Let's talk about its design, interior, engine, and price, and why this could be the most exciting retro supercar of the decade. One look at the 2026 Stratos and you immediately know, this is not just another modern sports car. The iconic wedge-shaped silhouette is back, short, wide, aggressive, and instantly recognizable. The front end still carries that legendary razor-sharp nose, now upgraded with ultra-thin LED headlights that look like glowing eyes ready to attack the road. The hood slopes dramatically, just like the original rally monster, but now it's carved from carbon fiber and aerodynamic sculpting. Every line is designed not just to look fast, but to be fast. From the side, the short wheelbase and muscular rear fenders scream pure performance. The Stratos doesn't look polite. It looks like it wants to fight. Around the back, you'll find a bold modern interpretation of the classic rear lights, combined with an aggressive diffuser and twin exhausts that hint at something very powerful hiding inside. Open the door and you're hit with a perfect mix of retro rally heritage and high-tech luxury. The dashboard is inspired by the original Stratos, with a driver-focused cockpit that wraps around you. But instead of old analog gauges, you now get a fully digital display that can transform from classic rally-style dials into a futuristic performance HUD. The seats are deep bucket racing seats wrapped in Alcantara and premium leather, designed to hold you tight during aggressive driving while still feeling luxurious on long trips. The steering wheel is thick, flat-bottomed, and filled with controls for drive modes, suspension, and performance settings, making you feel like you're piloting a race car for the road. Now let's talk about what really matters. The 2026 Lancia Stratos is rumored to use a twin-turbo V6 or V8 hybrid powertrain, pushing over 600 horsepower. Power is sent through a lightweight all-wheel drive system, giving the Stratos brutal acceleration and rally-level grip on any surface, asphalt, rain, dirt, or snow. 0 to 60 miles per hour. Likely under 3 seconds. Top speed. Somewhere above 200 miles per hour. But the real magic isn't just the numbers, it's how it feels. With a short wheelbase and lightweight construction, this car is designed to be wild, agile, and brutally responsive. So how much do you need to bring this icon into your garage? The 2026 Lancia Stratos is expected to be a limited production supercar, with a price estimated between $200,000 and $300,000 US. That puts it in the same world as Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and McLarens, but with something those cars don't have. The original Lancia Stratos didn't just win races, it changed motorsport history. And now, in 2026, that spirit is back. Faster. Smarter. Wilder. The 2026 Lancia Stratos is not built for everyone. It's built for those who love speed, heritage, and raw driving emotion. So tell me in the comments, would you drive this modern rally legend, or keep it locked away as a priceless collectible? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because legends never die, they just come back louder.